Students, welcome in 12th class, and today we will discuss the topic number 6, cash flow statement. And in this video we will discuss the next question, cash flow statement, question number 14. Let's start question number 14. Calculate cash flow from operating activities from the following balance sheet of Himalaya Limited. Particulars: 31st March 2018 and 31st March 2017. It is previous year and this is current year. Now, balance sheet of Himalaya Limited. Shareholder fund, share capital 3 lakh previous year and 4 lakh current year. Reserve and surplus 80,000 previous year and 1 lakh 70,000 current year. Next is non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities are 1 lakh in previous year and 1,50,000 in current year. In this non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings, and current liabilities, trade payables, current last year 60,000 and current year 40,000. Next is the assets. Assets are non-current assets 3,30,000 to 5,50,000, and non-current investment is 40,000 and 50,000. These are the current assets. Now we consider the first of all reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus, there are two items. Number one, general reserve. Last year 1 lakh and 1,20,000 in current year, so 20,000 transfer to general reserve. And profit and loss balance, लास्ट ईयर 20,000 लॉस ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है, सो दैट इट इज कंसिडर लॉस, एंड 50,000 इज द प्रॉफिट. नाउ वी स्टार्ट अवर क्वेश्चन. Net, first of all we calculate net profit before tax. Net profit before tax, we find the help of, first of all, profit during the year, current year minus previous year. 50,000 minus bracket item 20,000, and minus become plus, then current year profit is 70,000. Next is the transfer to general reserve. 1,20,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 20,000. Then net profit before tax is 90,000. Provision for tax and another proposed dividend is not given in this question. So net profit before tax is 90,000. Next we consider adjustments of non-cash and non-operating items, which is first of all depreciation. In the depreciation, there is provision for depreciation is given, no sale and purchase is given, then difference is considered depreciation. लास्ट ईयर जो प्रीवियस ईयर में प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट डेप्रिशिएशन था वो 1,10,000, एंड नेक्स्ट करंट ईयर में 1,50,000. डिफरेंस इज करंट ईयर डेप्रिशिएशन, इट इज एडेड 40,000. नेक्स्ट इज द इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन डिवेंचर. Long term borrowings are 9% debenture, previous year 1 lakh and current year 1,50,000. So we give the interest on which balance it is given additional information that additional debentures are issued on 1st April 2017. ये जो 50,000 के डिवेंचर इशू हुए हैं वो बिगनिंग में ही हो गए थे, सो दैट्स वाई वी कैलकुलेट द इंटरेस्ट ऑन 1,50,000. इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिवेंचर इज 1,50,000 मल्टीप्लाई 9 बाय में 100, then 13,500. टोटल add items are 53,500, it become 1,43,500. Next, interest received on non-current assets. Non-current investment 50,000, ये भी हमने बिगनिंग में ही परचेज कर ली थी, तो 50,000 पर 8% की रेट पर rate of interest is given 8%. We calculate interest 50,000 multiply 8 by 100, that is 4,000. So we subtract it, it become 1,39,500 operating profit before working capital changes. Now we consider the current assets and current liabilities. First of all, trade receivable, these are decreased. So decreased assets are add. Decrease in trade receivable 1,40,000 minus 83 is equal to 31,000. And trade payables are decreased. Trade payables are decreased 60 to 40,000. It will be subtracted. decrease in trade payables 60,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 20,000. We add 31,000 in this balance operating profit. It become 1,70,500 and 20,000 is less. It become 1,50,500. Net cash generated from operating activities is 1,50,500. Let's consider question number 15. Calculate cash flow from operating activities from the following balance sheet. Particulars 31st March 2017 previous year and 31st March 2018 current year. Shareholder fund, previous year 5 lakh, current year 5 lakh, same. Reserve and surplus 1,20,000 and 2 lakh. There is no note to the accounts. यहाँ पर रिजर्व और सरप्लस की हमें कोई डिटेल नहीं गिवन है, तो ये हम क्या कंसिडर करेंगे, ये हम स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस कंसिडर करेंगे. जब भी आपको रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस की डिटेल नहीं गिवन होगी, इट इज कंसिडर बैलेंस ऑफ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. Borrowings are 2 lakh and 2,50,000. Next, current liabilities, other current liabilities 3,000 and current year 0. Short-term provision 70,000 and 75,000. Long-term borrowings are included 8% debenture. Previous year में 2 lakh थे और current year में 2,50,000. And other current liabilities are belong to outstanding expenses. Previous year 3,000 and current year 0. Next is the short term provision, and short term provision is belong to provision for tax. Previous year 70,000 and current year 75,000. Next is the asset. Assets, non current assets are 4 lakh and 5 lakh. Next is the current assets, inventory 2 lakh to 2,40,000, trade receivable 180 to 2 lakh, cash and cash equivalent 90,000 and 70,000, and other current assets are 23,000 and 15,000. And note to the account is given for other current assets. It belong to prepaid expenses, that is 23,000 and 15,000. Let's start our question for working note, net profit before टैक्स. इन दिस क्वेश्चन रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस में हमारे को कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. यही जो है इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ही करंट ईयर का प्रॉफिट कंसिडर होगा. और कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. First of all, current year profit is 2 lakh minus 1,20,000 is equal to 80,000. And in short term provision there is given provision for tax. ये provision for tax जो है हमें current year का भी given है और previous year का भी given है. तो current year का जो tax का provision होगा वो net profit before tax के लिए add होगा, और previous year का provision जो है वो tax paid के नाम से less होगा. So first of all we add the provision for tax of current year 75,000. It become 1,55,000. It is net profit before tax. Now we consider adjustment. In this question there is no adjustments of depreciation and goodwill. Only interest paid on debenture. There are 8% debenture 2 lakh and 2,50,000. And there is no date is mentioned in this question. When issue and redemption date is not given in the question, we will assume that these debentures are issued at the end of the year. ये जो डिवेंचर इशूड हुए हैं ये एंड में इशू हुए हैं, तो कंप्लीट ईयर में इंटरेस्ट जो है वो प्रीवियस ईयर के बैलेंस पर दिया जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट द इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन डिवेंचर. 2 lakh multiply 8 by 100, that is 16,000. It will be added in net profit before tax. It become 1,71,000 and it is considered operating profit before working capital changes. Now we consider the current assets and current liabilities. Current liabilities, outstanding expenses are decreases, it will be subtracted, and prepaid expenses are decrease, so it is added, and inventory is increase, it will be subtracted. Trade receivables are also increase assets are less. And add decrease in prepaid expenses 8,000, 23,000 minus 15,000. It will be added. And decrease in outstanding expenses 3,000 to nil, it will be subtracted. Increase in trade receivable 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 80,000, that is 20,000. Increase in inventory 2 lakh 40,000 minus 2 lakh is equal to 40,000. Then subtract amount is 63,000. It become 1,16,000. It is called cash generated from operating activities. Now we subtract the tax paid during the year, which is provision for tax of previous year. जो previous year का provision होता है वो हम paid के पर्पज से इसको माइनस कर देंगे 70,000. देन वी राइट नेट कैश जनरेटेड फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज 46,000. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.